Hey, it's Natural Habitat here, and today I'm going to be going over terrariums and plants that I haven't featured on my channel. So here is kind of my collection. In this, I have my spider plants from the spider plant video. Here are some pear tree seeds. Here is a palm tree in the palm family, and this is an aloe plant. Over here is a soybean plant. This right here is one of my bamboo stalks. In here is a Christmas ornament I'm trying to grow. It has plants inside. It's like a little mini terrarium, but it's a Christmas ornament, so when it's Christmas time I can just plant it. So now down below here I got 3 pear trees. 1, 2, and this one is called a red Ann. It has, just look at these leaves. It looks beautiful. And over here I got my 3rd pear tree. And up here again, this little thing, this was like my first ever terrarium. So in this terrarium, I've got, this is just 2 plastic bowls put together. One has dirt on the bottom, and then these, I just put some holes in it, and so it could have some carbon dioxide. So these are my plants. So these right here are, I'm not sure what they are, to be honest. They just started growing, so I'm assuming they're some sorts of weeds. This right here is a 3-leaf clover. I like it a lot. And I just like how all the leaves and stuff face towards where the sun's coming from. The sun would be coming from over here. And then, yeah, and like how all the leaves pop up like that. So that's nice. Right here, this is the plant that I started off with. This is my Venus flytrap. This is just a rock painted as bunny. And then I just put some dirt. The dirt has little bugs. I think there's some little pill bugs. Some maybe, I'm not sure. But there are a bunch of little white bugs in there. And right here, I have my fruit fly terrarium. The fruit fly terrarium, you might not see a lot of movement. From my first video, there was a ton of them. The reason for that is they've been going through stages. So what happens is there'll be a bunch of them, then they'll lay eggs and die. And then when those eggs hatch, then there'll be a bunch of them again. They'll lay eggs and die. So there are a little bit of them. There are some in there maybe. See, these are little larvae. These are the little larvas, and the little specks are the eggs. Those are the larvae, and the larvae are, what happens is they harden, and then they just break out of them. Let me see if I can find one. Nope, I don't really see any of them. Yeah, I think there's one. One that didn't die. Yeah, right there. So, yep. So they're going through their laying egg stage, and then they die. And then when those eggs hatch, they'll be good. I put them in this little container, this little white stuff here. That's just baby powder I put on the edges, so it's slippery, so they can't climb out when I open the lid. And yeah, I just needed to expand it a little bit, because what would happen is I couldn't get baby powder in, I couldn't get baby powder in this, so I just made it bigger. And I have this little climbing bridge so they can get back in, because they can't really get it back in any other way. So, yep. Okay guys, this is my praying mantis egg. If you guys guessed praying mantis, you guys are correct. So what I do for this is it takes about 2 to 6 weeks to hatch. It's been about 2 or 3 weeks since I got it. Yeah, and it hasn't really hatched yet. But what I have been doing it is you have to keep it moist. So I just been spraying it with this every day or two, and yeah. Okay, so this is my basil plant. Yeah, you can actually eat these raw. Well, you can. They're edible. Well, anything's really edible. It's just whether you die or not. But yeah, this is just a leaf, and I can just eat it. And then this right here is mint leaves. You can also eat these raw. They taste. These are like have a kick to them. These, taste like mint. And if you ever had mint gum or anything like that. This right here. This is my sister's spider plant. And this is one of my sister's plants. I'm not sure what kind of plant that is. And this one also is one of my sister's plant. Here are my aquariums for my Tropos eggs. And right now, I don't see anything. The kit I got them with said that they'll take 2 to 7 days to hatch. It's been about 2 days, and I don't see any movement. It also said that they'd be like very small, so like you can barely see them. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna having my eye out for them. So I will make a video if I do see a lot of movement though. So see ya.